Okay, when you...
Whoa! No. Ow!
Playing at the park. There's the view. Isn't that cool? Isn't that neat? Goes all the way. And then behind us, or to the side and behind, we have the mountains.
Now I'm going to run.
See?
I'm going to run.
Okay, I'll be right there. Alrighty, go ahead.
Woo! Whoa! I'm not climbing. I'm grass climbing. Andrew, look more this way. You can see him on the playground. Oh, yeah.
Zach, you going down again or no?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, let me see you.
Hold on. You're running. Oh.
It's alright, we'll clean up when we get home. Come on, Zach, I'm waiting on you.
What do I do in the meantime?
It's okay, just leave it. It'll be fine.
So it doesn't hurt there, it hurts here.
I don't know, honey. I can't keep stopping and looking at you because then I'm losing Zach off the camera. I'll check it out when we get home.
Mom, can I change my pants into shorts?
Nope.
Oh, could I just take this one leg out that way?
No.
Can I finish?
No.
Oh, that way I don't get any blood stains on my pants.
You won't get blood stains on black pants. Say goodbye.
Bye.